All right, this is Saturn 2009. Saturn View 2009. All right, so the customer complaint stated that there is a bad oil leaks on this vehicle. All right, so the oil leak is coming from the oil pressure sensor, and it was leaking really bad. It's non-stop oil leaks from that bad or broken sensor, oil pressure switch, or oil pressure sensor. Already, so we will be replacing the oil pressure sensor on this vehicle. Alright, so first off, I want to remove this plastic shield right here, plastic cover shield, whatever you call it. Alright, uh, all the way to the other end. Alright, so remove this. It gives you access to the oil pressure sensor. Okay, so the oil pressure sensor located uh, underneath this intake manifold right here. And if you follow the starter underneath there, if you follow the starter, if you follow that starter, starter right there, follow the starter, and it's you just move your finger to the right of the starter, and right above that starter on the right, you'll see the oil pressure sensor. Alright, as you can see, I can't get my hands to there because of this plastic shield right here, plastic cover shield. Alright, so I'm removing this plastic cover shield before I can start working on the on removing the oil pressure sensor. Already? Alright, now that the cover is off, we have now better access to the location of the oil pressure sensor. Alright, so the oil pressure sensor is just right behind this starter solenoid right here. Okay, so first off, we're gonna move this wire going to the starter, and before doing that, we want to disconnect the battery first. Okay, alright, disconnect the battery first, then you gotta remove this wire attached to the starter. Alright, then we should have a better access on removing the oil pressure sensor. Already? Alright guys, there you go. We got the negative battery terminal off right there. Okay. Alright. Alright guys, so we're gonna disconnect that nut right there. Alright, I'm gonna disconnect that nut right there, and then we should be able to push this wire away from the in front of the oil pressure sensor. The oil pressure sensor is right there, as you can see. It's right there. Okay. There you go, guys. Now we have access to the oil pressure sensor right there. Okay. All right. Now we're ready to remove it. All right. So guys, here you go, guys. The on my left, the old one, and on my right is the new one. Everything looks alike. We'll just go ahead and install it. Alrighty. Alright, it's all put together. Here's my tools right there, and my sockets, as you can see. Right there. There is my socket, and it's already tight. And we'll just go ahead and remove the sockets. Alrighty. Alright, it's all put together. The new oil pressure sensor is in. It's right here. This one right here is our oil pressure sensor. That's the new one. Already. We just need to plug it in. And thank you for watching my video.